Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty makeup tutorial right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics oil-free face primer to prime my face. I'm using this Oriflame, the One Everlasting foundation for my face. I'm using the shade Caramel for my face. I'm using this Mary Kay facial highlighting pen in shade 2 to highlight my face, to conceal my face, conceal and highlight. I'm using this Tara makeup powder palette. I'm using this shade right here to set my highlights. I'm using this benign banana powder to bake my highlights. I'm using this Anastasia brow pomade in dark brown for my brows. I'm using this Zekel Girl Nude Girls. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Nude Girl palette for my eyes, and I'm using this shade Raw for my crease first. I'm using Raw for my crease first. Next, I'm using this shade called Zekel Girl for my crease too. Next, I'm using this shade called Tickle for the inner and outer, for my inner and outer crease, to deepen and darken it more. Next, I'm using this shade right here. It's called Golden Glow. I'm using it for my lid. Shade right here. Golden Glow. I'm using it for my lid. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Smudge Proof Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this shade Zekel Girl Hand Tea Cool. I'm mixing the two for my under eye. I'm using the shade I use for my lid, Golden Glow, for the middle of my under eye too. I'm using the Golden Glow for my waterline. I'm using this Classic Makeup mascara for my eyes. Classic Makeup Voluminous Mascara. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in shade Clay 2 for my face. I'm using this CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek. And I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter in the shade Moonlight to highlight my face. I'm using Zekel Cosmetics Makeup Fixing Spray to set my makeup. I'm using this Zaron lip liner in bold to line my lips. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lipstain in the shade Naked. I'm using this Sleek Makeup lip gloss, clear lip gloss for my lips too. I'm using this Tara Makeup Blush Palette. I'm using this shade. Yeah.